Hi, my name is Vikendas and this is a story about record-breaking boat design, boat restoration. So, the story is, I came across this boat, was been left in the field, and I talked to this farmer, and farmer said I can have it for free. To begin, I thought it's Harley 20 or something, but after some research I find out what is Caprice 19 Mark III by Robert Tucker, and what this fiberglass sister of famous super shrimp which enact and sail around the world. And I thought, why not? Another project. Thanks for watching. If you like this, press like. If you want to see more, subscribe. And if you want to give some advice, leave a comment below. Thanks. Hi, my name is Vikendas. This is a story about record-breaking boat design. What I got for free.